Hi everyone, I'm Miss Gillies and I'm head of the history department at Bell Crothers. I'm here to talk to you about Canadian history since World War I, which is CHC 2D1, and then we have our civics course, which is CHV 201. You have a lot of choice in both courses of things that you want to explore in history and things you want to explore in civics and politics. We don't have exams, but what we do have are these really rich, amazing projects. So I'm going to let some students and some teachers and give you some photos so you can see what happens in the history department, and you can see the value of taking grade 10 history and civics with us at BCSS. Take it away.
Hey Colts, this is why you should take history. In history, you don't just learn about names, facts, and dates. You learn about the incredibly important events that shaped Canada and made it the way that it is today. You learn about Aboriginal injustices and Canada's role in World War II. Because honestly, history is more than just the names, dates, and numbers. It's the people and the stories behind it. So I highly recommend.
Hi everybody, my name is Miss Wong. I'm one of the history teachers here at BCSS, and so I'm here to talk to you about why I think you should be taking history courses next year. History classes today are taught very differently than the way that they were taught way back then. Okay, before history classes, you would be learning facts and dates and places and people. You were doing all that kind of memorizing. But we don't do that anymore because that's a Google search away, right? I don't need to teach you that. My job is to teach you how to think. And the way I'm going to teach you how to think is I'm going to be using history as the medium as to how to teach you how to think. Okay, so we'll be focusing on the historical thinking concepts, right? And so we'll be teaching you things about why is something important, what was going on in people's minds at the time, what are the consequences, was something ethically right or wrong. We'll be using primary sources. So I'll be really getting you to think like historians, ask a lot of questions. And these are the kinds of skills that you can transfer to any course in high school, or you can also take those skills and apply them in your field of employment. Okay, so employers are going to be looking for people who can think critically, and these are the kinds of skills that you're going to be learning in history and that you can apply to many different places in your life. So I hope to see a lot of you in our history courses next year. Bye.
Hey BCSS, my name's Madeline Grossi. I graduated last year in 2020 and currently I'm a first year student at Brock University studying sport management. But I just wanted to hop on here and tell you the importance of grade 10 history from my perspective. I had a really great opportunity that was given to me by Mr. Kent, actually, who was my teacher, and I was chosen to go to the local history fair for one of my projects, and from that point on I won 2 awards from that day, the Founders Award, and I was also top 3 of the presenters. So then I got to go on to the next level, which was just kind of a showcase, but really it was a great opportunity and great experience for me. So when you're taking grade 10 history this year, make sure you take every opportunity that comes toward you as an advantage and gain all the experiences that you can, because they will all help you in the future.
Hey, I'm Chase, and when I think of history at Bill Crothers, I think of an inclusive environment and an environment where none of your ideas are shut down and you continue to debate about historical topics, and the information being provided to you is so interesting and so easy to understand. History to me is a class where you're able to express your own opinions on historical topics and historical significance, and I really suggest that you pay attention in the class and hopefully take it throughout high school, as it's a great experience.